Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on REALME Narzo 70. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you have to select your language, then click next. Now you have to select your region, then click next again, and here you can insert your SIM card, or you can just click next. And now you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip. And here you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can just click next. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip and then click later. Then you have to click done. And click get started. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.